Introducing the Elements Wall Coverings Decor Portfolio. Discover wall coverings where timeless elegance meets unparalleled durability, designed to transform any space. Elements wall coverings are suitable for various printing environments and installation methods, while also meeting stringent environmental standards and offering durability for commercial-grade applications. Elements Willow is a vibrant and versatile choice that brightens educational environments and bustling office spaces with its easy installation and classic smooth finish. Elements Dorada has a pronounced suede texture. This option is perfect for upscale retail settings and luxury boutiques, enhancing any space with effortless elegance. Elements Chestnut has a durable linen-like surface that is ideal for healthcare facilities and corporate headquarters, offering a sophisticated backdrop for murals and detailed art installations. Elements Lively is a subtle sand-textured wall covering that offers a refined look to public libraries and galleries while supporting high-definition wall decor. Elements Scarlet offers a distinct texture that resembles a grass cloth surface. The highly textured finish provides a natural backdrop for high-quality, high-resolution image reproduction, making it ideal for luxury hotels and high-end residential spaces. Discover the Elements Wall Decor Portfolio, where each wall covering tells a unique story and beauty pairs with durability. All Elements wall coverings share compatibility with Latex, Eco-Solvent, solvent, and UV inks, ensuring versatility in printing options. Their phthalate-free PVC substrate also allows for easy installation using traditional adhesives and techniques. Visit lexjet.com to explore the full range of Elements wall coverings. Elevate your space with timeless sophistication.